Hello everybody, welcome to Super Couch Fun Time. My name is Janice.
And this is Nathan.
We are back playing Borderlands
2.
So, hope you enjoy this part.
Yes.
And we are here... What are we, level 3 now? Yeah.
Yeah, we just gotta go, we got our markers. Oh, we need to clear out the graveyard, which I think we accidentally did already last episode. We just went in and butchered all the bullywongs over here. But we have to go back down, which there were none before down here. So,
Right.
Oh, there are now. Okay, they're back.
Rude.
So now we gotta kill them.
Again.
Why? Just because. They're different. Gotcha. Are you down here?
Nope.
Are you shooting from above or what?
Yeah. It's like good spottage. Yeah.
Monglet. Damn, that doesn't sound appropriate. Yeah. Oh, reload. Alright, there you go. You're done. Is that all?
No, he's not.
Oh, there's one more. No, no, the one I was killing was done.
Got a gun.
Janice got a gun.
Janice got a gun.
I guess we have to clear the graveyard again? Oh, goodness. Oh. Alright. I got grenades now. Yeah. Put those to use.
Yeah, duh. I'm just kidding.
There's a change station up here. I never noticed that.
And there's a mailbox with some goods in it.
Whoa, almost fell off.
Oh my god.
I cannot wait till I get my first sniper rifle.
I cannot wait till I get my MacLeod. Just kidding, I don't know. Don't you throw rocks at me. Be nice. This guy's like totally after me.
Yeah. Oh, he hit me for get out of my face.
He knocked me all the way over here.
Whew. Nice jump. Oh, can't jump over that. Oh, yes, he can.
Ah, I'm gonna die. I don't even know where I
am.
Reload. Oh my god, where am I?
Did you fall down? Yeah, you fell down.
Where do I go from here?
Turn around. We go that way. Ugh. Yeah, let me shoot that
This
wall.
way?
Yeah, that one.
Up here?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
My good god. All the way up here?
You do? No, yeah, that way. Oh.
Oh my god.
Dang it, hitting it.
Just get lost. I'm lost.
No, we're playing Borderlands. Lost is a different thing.
Lost is a movie. I mean, a TV series.
Yes, it was a movie, you're right.
A TV series! God.
Oh, the queen of pop culture over here.
Hey, I never said that.
Let
I'm the queen of horror.
I already finished the mission.
Like, no, I'm not.
All
Well,
right.
you're the queen of finishing.
Ooh. Alright, don't mind if I do. Shielded favors and bad hair day. Which one do you want to do?
Bad hair day. I seem to have much of those these days.
Where's the... Oh, it's over here. Let me get some health first.
That would help.
Yes.
What's
What's the shield of the day like?
What do you think? Oh no, that doesn't look very good for me.
Yeah, I'll keep what I got. Even though it's crappy, it's doing me alright. So, you said... I don't have our things yet. Darn it.
Oh, just so weird.
Missions, right? Is that bad fur day? Bad hair day?
Fur day?
Keep thinking like that Conquerors game. Conquer's bad fur day. But yeah, anyway.
No.
So we need 4. So remember to shoot your gun to get the low in health, and then you have to melee to kill him. That's how you get the fur.
The hair?
Yeah. Keep on saying fur. I don't know.
So you have to do what? Melee and then...
To when you kill them, you have to hit melee. Yeah.
Like there's a gun right in front of you.
I know, I'm taking it.
Oh.
I was just checking out the specs. Calm down. So yeah, shoot them to get it low. Their health low.
And then melee them until they're
melee
dead.
to kill. Yeah.
Until they die. Okay. Whoa, ready for this?
Jeez.
Are you sure?
Yes. Open it up.
Oh my god. Oh look.
You coming?
Jump right down.
So where?
Let me switch guns actually.
Okay.
I'm gonna equip this. This one's cruddy, isn't it?
I don't know.
I'll just do this one. With that one. Switch her out. See what happens.
I haven't seen what I picked up yet.
Whoa, look at this.
Renegade. What? You already got a sniper? Or which one is that?
Dang, sucker.
What? Oh, that's a machine gun though. But it has a scope on it?
Yep.
Oh, that's crazy talk.
I can kill this psycho. I can kill this psycho.
Well, go ahead.
That sounded so creepy. Okay, ready?
Yeah, mine doesn't zoom that much. And you missed. No.
Whoa, man. You gotta reload.
Almost dead. Come on, gotcha. Reload. Okay, they got it. What the heck is this? Quit wandering that way.
Who, me?
No, it's just an echo recorder.
Oh.
What? No. I was talking to my guy.
Level up. Level up.
Leveling up the soul news.
What? Did you just throw something or is it this guy?
What's that guy?
Trying to get jerk.
Why would I throw something at you? Alright, so
What?
find auto log. Wait, which mission are we doing here?
Was it the hair?
Handsome Jack here.
Bad hair day?
Yeah, that's
Bad
what we
hair
were
day?
supposed to be doing. It switched because I picked up that other thing.
Whoops.
Yeah. Okay, so we can go. I'm stuck down here. Okay, let me get out of that. So we can continue on this way. Are you looking at my screen?
Yes, I am looking.
So I can continue going this way. Or we can go through here, fight through those guys, and then...
Let's fight through those guys.
All right.
It's a lot of fun, I think.
Well, remember, we have to get through these guys to get to those guys.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. There it goes. Nope. Gotcha.
Got him.
What? No, I got him with my pistol.
Bull.
No, not bull, pistol.
Bull.
Wasn't so hard.
Alright.
It says use.
Use.
Oh, that's for that thing.
Oh, yeah, we can't do that yet.
Nope. Yep. Please.
Come on, jump up. There you go.
Ah. That's what you're saying about this thing.
Which thing? pistol, blah blah blah. Anything over there?
Just a couple things. Nothing major.
Yeah, I hear you.
Anything over there?
No. Some cash and something.
Oh.
Hey, help!
No, nothing. Alright.
There's a guy right there.
Yeah, I'll shoot you in the back, I ain't afraid.
Dang, I just annihilated him.
Ooh.
Whoa, sorry, my bad. My weapon is so... Oh, he's gonna be gone in 5 seconds with this gun. I love this gun!
Where are you is?
You tried, guys. You tried. I'll give you that.
Come on. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Hey, there goes my shield. Got him. How you doing over there?
Good, huh?
I'm coming back around towards you.
Oh,
Oops.
someone's shooting at me. Who's shooting at me?
He's up on top.
Oh, yeah, okay, I see him.
Yeah, there you go. Trying to throw some grenades at me? I don't think so.
Dead.
Yep. Good job, good job. Now, always forget how we're supposed to do. Let me hold on.
I know.
Can you move from there so I can
Oh,
blow this up?
sorry. Forgot about that.
Just in case anybody else shows up and I want it to.
Yeah,
Sneak
explode
up
all
on
over
her.
us.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going up the wrong way, apparently. Oh, I keep doing it the wrong way.
Yeah, I was just hopping up on the fence and then hopping
Oh,
up
look at all
here.
these.
But, okay, so I always forget how we're supposed to get through this fence. It never fails.
There's like something you gotta shoot, isn't there?
Yeah, there's where's it? Yeah, the electrical fuse box. There it goes.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
All right, go stick your hand in the commode and see what's good.
Fish for... Oh. Oh.
That wet sound. That's some money. Oh, here
Got some
comes
shields.
here comes the Billabongs. Remember lashed. Sean Connery. Okay, leave. All right, got one.
Got one. Nice, nice, nice.
Yeah, 3 more to go.
Oh, wait.
All right, that guy's good to melee.
Okay, hold on.
Oh, actually, I killed him.
Got it. Get him.
Nice.
Got it. Okay.
Reload. No. Dang it.
No!
I'm down.
Oh, me too. I just have
Get
to kill him
close.
now.
Get close. Let me melee you and get up at the same time. Did it.
Okay, I got a second wind.
Me too.
But it won't last long with this.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Watch out for the rocks.
I know. Let me see if I can get him from here. And then...
Ah, I killed one.
Damn, I'm out of ammo on that one of them. My favorite. Hold
Dang
on,
it.
they're coming in.
This thing just takes too long to reload. I can't wait for a TD war.
Okay. Yeah, okay, get him in the melee.
Alright, got it.
Yeah!
That should be the last one we need, so we just go ahead and kill this guy. Yeah. There you go.
Nice, got him. Okay.
So yeah, 4 to 4.
Alright. Oh.
Got a dry. I'm all choked up. Got a dry spot in my
It was so
throat.
beautiful.
I know. Can't believe we did it. Very verklempt.
Very verklempt.
Now let's run back.
I said very. I just said very verklempt. I don't know what that.
Yeah, there's some health in here. I don't know.
Pretty good.
Some ammo. Nope. Oh, there was some health. I think in one of these, wasn't there, that we didn't
Oh, look,
get?
right here. Did you see this?
Oops.
Oh, this is just ammo.
Where? What are you doing? Yeah, let's just go back. We're almost
Oh, look,
there.
here's-
I don't think anybody's gonna show up. So.
Some cash. I need ammo for my other weapon. Oh, look, I got some.
So, do we want to return it to Claptrap or to Hammerlock?
Claptraps. Oh, hammerlock. No, claptrap. Claptrap.
All right.
What do you think?
Whatever. It's your call.
Claptrap.
Okay.
Just 'cause he's helping us out.
Good. Oh. Sheesh, I thought 2 was going to be enough. Let me get another health. There we go.
Okay.
Where... Okay, here's Hammerlock. Oh, Claptrap's way over there.
Wait, I'm getting some ammo.
Yeah.
Let me grab some health, as a matter of fact.
Alright, in that case, I'll go ahead and ammo up.
Alright, I'm done. So just whenever you're in. Fancy.
Alright, well, since we're not going to return it to Hammerlock, let's go to Claptrap then.
Okay.
And give it to him. I guess he's the other marker
Wait.
on there.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah.
Where did he go? He's way over there.
I guess so.
Oh, he's gonna
Oh,
want us.
that's right.
Oh yeah, he's gonna get us into that boss fight.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Should we just go to
Oh, here he is. Okay, never mind.
Hammerlock?
Where's it go?
I have no idea.
Try to give you something.
Wait. Should we go? Okay.
Now watch out, there's these guys over here.
You're a guy. Yeesh.
Here comes a psycho.
Oh, here went a psycho.
Pretty much.
Here's it.
Why are they all running into that fire? Hey, a bunch of
I don't know,
morons.
but let him.
Oh, I'm not stopping them. I mean, come on. I keep on. Where's he at? Oh, there he is.
Die already. Jeesh.
I know, right? Oh, crap.
Did he die? Yeah, I guess he did. Okay. Son of a biscuit.
What are you
Son
doing?
of a biscuit.
I can't shoot
Good God.
anybody.
I'm up here.
Jesus.
Where the heck are they?
Okay, what?
Where are you?
I don't know. I fell down somewhere.
Okay, hold on. They're coming. Okay, hold on.
Thanks.
Get my back, just in case.
Trying. I can't move, so.
Okay.
Yeah, like, I jumped over
They
here,
are, like,
and then
all
all these
over.
guys, and then all these guys spawned in. I was just like stuck, and I couldn't turn around and kill them or anything. It's weird. Oh yeah, let me stop and reload. Let me get this health here. Thank you.
Whoa,
All right.
that was scary.
Sheesh. I was like, I just saw like the red dots pop up on the map. I'm like, oh great, they're gonna be right here. And sure enough, they were. I could not do anything.
Well, that.
All right, watch this. Go. Oh. copycat. Okay, what's what? Oh, it's all pistols, right? Ah. All right, you can pick them all
Oh,
up.
yeah, one of them wasn't, and I picked it up. But do you want me to get a key?
No, that's fine. You can pick them up and sell them.
Well, if there's one that's good, though, you know, the one that's good, I'll give it to you.
No, that's fine. I looked at them real quick. Didn't look like any of them I wanted, so that is fine. I need a drink.
Yeah. Whoops. Yeah.
Protect me!
Oh.
Ooh, they blew me up.
Me too, you son of a gun.
Alright, down to 57. Really claptrap kid over here.
Wow.
Great. Better be some health. Nope. This way.
Is that the boss fight?
Yes.
Oh man, I need health.
Yep.
Is there any health in there?
No.
Around the place?
Oh, I mean, yeah, probably if you kill somebody and they drop it or something like that, then yeah, but...
Oh well.
Yeah. That's fine. We'll make it.
Alright, well, let's do it.
Not, but whatever.
We'll try, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll try.
Well, that's not convincing.
It's not convincing that we'll try? Oh, look, I can't go down anymore. I'm stuck. Aww.
Oh no!
Oh, goodness.
Oh my god.
Beam.
Uh,
Alright, let's try and go for critical hits.
Yikes. Let's hide behind something first.
I know, right? Hey!
Oh my god.
I want money. Well, I want money, but...
Wait, how do you duck? B? B. Okay, it's B.
Dang it, where'd he go? Crap. Are you going after...
The guy
Are you going after Boom or Boom? No.
Wow.
Where did he go? I can't see him. I'm down.
Okay, I'm coming.
Poop stick. I see you. You little turd. Reload. When do I get my special?
Fudge icicles.
Get. Alright. You keep on pushing me around.
He's almost dead, the little guy.
Oh, I know. Got him.
Nice.
You drop any health?
Yes.
Go for it.
It is.
Oh. I'm all
We're
full.
both good because we leveled up.
Oh, that's right. Alright. Crap. Nice. Reload. Ah, this is gonna take forever.
What the heck?
What the heck? What? Where are you at? Oh, there.
Oh man.
Yeah, they're blowing up all around you. You gotta be on the run. Although in the meantime, Claptrap's over here cowering away. I got those guys off your tail. Alright, let me hide over here and get a breath. Ugh. Oh, no way. We got our specials. Because we leveled up.
Oh, cool.
Don't have time to do it.
Out of ammo on that one.
Run around and see if you can pick some up. Alright, I gotta do this. One more. Do it. Okay, drop it.
Oh, fuck.
Alright,
My
drop it
god,
in
my
it.
health is crud. Good.
Got that guy off me.
Thank you.
I was able to do my turret and drop that down. So he was concentrating on that for a while. Got some down on him. He's almost dead. Ah, get a life.
Flipping psychos are harder to kill than the them.
I know, and everybody's running around in a circle. I can't. Oh, these guns take too long to reload. Yeah, I got him.
Nice. I got one too.
There's Boom. Ah, damn it. Where you at? Where you at?
He's a tough one.
Throw that down right there. Ah, these psychos.
I know, they're really annoying me.
Alright, don't forget to throw down like a melee if they're right in your face, you know.
Damn, I'm out of ammo on that one. Yeah, I got him with my grenade. Yeah, I got him again with my grenade.
Yeah, I've been throwing mine out too. Oh, you got 2 more psychos on you.
I know, I see him.
Got him. Okay, he's dead. There's some health over here, Jane.
I'm trying to kill this guy here. He won't lay off me.
Oh, we destroyed this, didn't we? Crap.
What?
Want to have axe battle? I'll kill you. Oh, the big gun. Because remember, we can have fun and like blow all these other people up. But... So, why isn't he allowing us to give him?
You can have this. I'm full.
Trade hair. Finally, quit running around.
Here, you can have your
Wait.
shield here.
Oh, it's a shield. Let's
Quite a
look.
few of them.
Yeah, just looking around, trying to see what else we got.
Let me see what's in my inventory so I can spit some of this junk out.
Do you need grenades? There's plenty of grenades over here.
Let me see. How do you drop it? Oh, why?
Because I want to know.
What? No! I said, how do you drop it?
Okay, I'm all full of grenades. There's grenades everywhere. Where are you? Let's see where you're at.
And I'm not gonna pick the shield up. I already picked up the shield.
Oh, don't. Grab that. There's another shot.
I should use my,
Yeah.
Actually, I should use...
Yeah, equip that, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like tried this, I just did it like in the middle of battle. And
I know, you're crazy.
well, because like I knew the turret would help, so.
Yeah.
Oh,
I
yeah,
just
that's
would be
nice.
too confused.
Yeah, drop that one on the floor.
I have another one. Do you want the shield?
No, I just grabbed that one that you had left over there.
Oh, hold on, wait.
It was like the same number, but it, like the same power, but then it like
See, I got these.
powered up faster. Well, why don't you equip that top one if it's better than the one you have? Like right there.
True.
I know, man.
Y'all.
Yeah, and then if you want to drop those other ones, I can take a look at them and see.
Okay. This. Wait, what's it?
That's just your personal echo. That doesn't.
Drop. Drop.
Oh yeah, I'll take that one.
Drop.
That was poop.
Drop. Drop.
Damn, how many shields you get?
A lot.
Those are fine. I did get one from you though, so I appreciate that. I don't know if you want to pick up the rest of those, and when we hit up a vending machine, you could sell them. I'm all full right now.
Wasn't sure if you wanted any of those. Okay.
Bad hair day, turn in.
Another challenge completed.
Or shotgun. Okay. Wait, what happened to my other gun?
I need ammo for my other gun. Is there
Okay, I
an
guess
ammo
we just get it.
thing? No, right?
No. We have to wait until we get through there. But before we break down the gate and then every time grandmother runs through, I guess we'll just end the episode right here.
Okie dokie.
So I think we're right about time. So yeah, everybody, thanks for watching, and hit that like button if you like the series so far.
Make sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Super Crash Fun Time.
Yep.
And see you next time.
All right, bye bye.
Take care.